Hi everyone, we've got another viewers clip and, well, let's just roll it.
It looks as though this section of the road is a two-lane motorway and the conditions are obviously terrible. But once my viewer overtakes this car, there's a slit road that joins from the left. And watch this car coming out. What I would like to say at this point is a big thanks to my viewer for sending this clip in. She realised her mistake perfectly and held her hands up to it, and she wants this clip put out so other people can learn from it.
I honestly don't think you need my supposed professional analysis with this one. It's a simple one, this. Use your brake. It slows us down, you know.